Okay, it's been too long. What is up everyone, this is Tom. Welcome back to another video. My god, it feels like a while since I've said that. This is really weird. If you did watch me before, the answer is no, I am not dead. I didn't die. I just had a big break from YouTube. So I think at this point it's been about 3.5 years. It's been a seriously long break. You can even call it a break at this point. Basically I got a real job. I went off, I've been doing a lot of filmmaking, a lot of photography, and I feel like the time is probably right for me to get back on YouTube. I feel completely creatively pumped. I'm really excited to make lots of new videos. I'm not even totally sure how many people are going to watch this that used to watch my videos, but what's probably going to happen is that I'm going to make it a little bit film and photo heavier than it probably was before. A little bit less on the tech side, but still very camera focused, gear focused. Of course, if you know a big new thing happens in the tech world, I'll probably still cover that, but the channel is going to be predominantly film, photo, making your visual content better. It's been what I've been working in since I've stopped being on YouTube, so it makes just a lot of sense to fire that up. I'm really pumped to help make some videos to hopefully make your visual content stronger. So yeah, hopefully that's going to be of interest to some of you. Hopefully you like that little film montage at the start. That's going to be the type of thing that's going to be happening on the channel more regularly, lots of travel videos, that type of thing. Drop a comment down below if anyone did used to watch. It's going to be really interesting to see how many people still are interested in that type of thing. I haven't uploaded, like I said, in a long time, so I don't even know how many views this is going to get. And I'll see you guys shortly in the next video.